Have you ever taken a bite of sweet grapes, twirled your fork into a perfect plate of pasta, or sliced into a rich, fluffy panettone and thought, how on earth are these even made? You're not alone. The food you love and enjoy every day doesn't just appear in your kitchen like magic. It takes months of work, cutting-edge machines, and a level of precision that will blow your mind. Today we're taking you deep inside the world of factory food production, where nature meets technology to create the flavors we can't live without. From grape harvesting and winemaking, to the heartwarming aroma of fresh tomato sauce and the festive charm of panettone bread, this journey will change the way you look at your next meal. Let's start with something simple. A bunch of grapes, sweet, juicy, and refreshing. But behind those perfect clusters is a labor of love. Grape farming isn't just about planting and watering, it's a science. Farmers spend months managing weed growth, balancing fertilizers, and watching the weather like hawks. As harvest season arrives, emotions run high, because all that effort either pays off now or it doesn't. But wait, the grapes you see on vines? They're not always the ones that get picked. In a fascinating step called thinning, farmers intentionally remove some grape clusters. Sounds wasteful? It's actually smart. Thinning ensures the remaining grapes grow bigger, sweeter, and full of flavor. If too many grapes are left, the vine can't support them all, and you end up with small, sour fruit. This technique is crucial for producing high-quality grapes for eating, grape juice, or even red wine. Now comes the harvesting. In modern vineyards, giant machines gently shake the vines, encouraging only the ripest grapes to fall. It's incredibly efficient and prevents bruising. Once collected, these grapes go through a strict sorting process where only the best survive. Then it's bath time. Yes, really. Grapes are soaked in water, not just to clean them, but to plump them up and enhance juiciness before processing. Ever wondered how grapes become wine? After washing, the grapes head to crushers, where they're gently squeezed. But this isn't about squashing everything. It's about separating the juice while preserving the flavor-rich skins and seeds. This mix is then stirred in large vats. Known as maceration, this step is where the magic happens. The skins release color, tannins, and flavor compounds into the juice. Eventually, it's time to press the grape must, separating solid parts from liquid gold. What's left is clear juice ready to ferment. The juice is poured into oak barrels, where yeast is added. The yeast eats the sugars, turning it into alcohol, releasing carbon dioxide and transforming the juice into wine. This process takes months, sometimes even years, but the final result? A glass of red wine that tells the story of an entire season. Even after the wine is ready, every bottle goes through inspection. Machines fill, cap, and label each one with precision. Then they're boxed and shipped, maybe even to your table. The sauce that starts in the field next up. Tomato sauce. The kind that makes pasta irresistible. But do you know how it starts? In vast tomato fields, harvesting machines sweep through rows, gently shaking vines to collect only the ripest tomatoes. The tomatoes are cleaned, sorted, and chopped into a fine pulp. But making tomato sauce isn't just about smashing tomatoes. It's about flavor. That's where garlic comes in. And no, not the powdered kind. Fresh garlic cloves are sautéed by skilled workers, using giant spatulas to stir them in sizzling oil. The aroma? Mouth-watering. After that, spices, salt, sugar, and herbs are added to the pot. Each ingredient is measured carefully. The sauce is stirred and simmered until it thickens into that rich red goodness we love. But here's the real twist. Before sauce is added to jars, factories place a single fresh basil leaf at the bottom. As the hot sauce is poured in, the basil slowly releases its oils, enhancing flavor naturally. It's a small touch, but it's what makes the difference between factory-made and soul-made. Perfect pasta every time. Now what's tomato sauce without pasta? Making factory pasta is an art. It starts with semolina flour, milled from durum wheat, not just any flour. This type is rich in gluten and perfect for shaping. Mixed with water, the dough is kneaded and pushed through dies, metal plates that form pasta into different shapes: penne, spaghetti, fusilli. Next, the pasta is quickly boiled, but only partially, in massive vats, ensuring it keeps a firm texture. Then it's shock-cooled in cold water. This rapid chilling locks in flavor and bite. From here, machines portion it out into trays. Sauce is added, sealed, and the meals are flash frozen to preserve freshness. So the next time you grab a ready-made pasta tray, remember, it's the result of thousands of perfectly timed steps and machines working like clockwork. The holiday icon, panettone. Finally, let's unwrap the sweet mystery of panettone, the iconic Italian Christmas bread. Its journey starts months before the holiday season. Factories source the best ingredients, raisins from Turkey, candied fruits from Spain, and fine flour from Europe. The dough? It's no ordinary mix. It's enriched with eggs, butter, sugar, and natural yeast. By law, Italian panettone must include at least 4% egg yolk by weight. The dough is kneaded, rested, and left to rise, sometimes for over 20 hours, developing that fluffy cloud-like texture. Once risen, it's shaped into tall molds and baked to golden perfection. But here's the fun part: to keep its airy texture, the bread is hung upside down while it cools. Yep, really. This stops it from collapsing under its own weight. After that, it's wrapped in colorful paper and sent to shelves around the world, maybe even to your holiday table. And there you have it, a behind-the-scenes look into the fascinating world of modern food manufacturing. Whether it's grapes, wine, tomato sauce, pasta, or panettone, every step blends science, tradition, and a lot of love. So next time you enjoy that glass of wine or plate of pasta, remember, it's not just food. It's a masterpiece of human innovation and natural beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing behind-the-scenes stories. What food should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.